Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Troy Bilt Tb35ec Carburetor is probably one of the most important components of your string trimmer, ensuring the proper mix of fuel and air for optimal performance. Today, we will deep dive into this specific carburetor, exploring its features, functionalities, common issues, and how to maintain it for a long-lasting, powerful trimming experience. We'll cover everything from identifying potential problems to performing basic troubleshooting and maintenance, helping you keep your trimmer running smoothly. Number 5. Hipa 753-06288 Carburetor. This carburetor is a perfect replacement for various string trimmers, leaf blowers, and tillers. It ensures your equipment runs smoothly and efficiently. It's compatible with a wide range of models, including Troy Bilt, Murray, Remington, and Craftsman equipment. Check your model number for a perfect fit. It comes with everything you need for easy installation: a primer bulb, gasket, O-ring, tube, fuel filter, cleaner, and even a spark plug. Get back to work quickly. This carburetor precisely mixes air and fuel for optimal engine performance. Enjoy improved power and efficiency with every use. It's built to last, providing reliable performance for years to come. Save time and money by avoiding frequent replacements. Always double-check your engine's model and part numbers before ordering to ensure a perfect fit and avoid returns. This will save you time and hassle. What we like. This option provides everything you need for a complete carburetor replacement. It includes all the necessary parts, making installation a breeze. If you're looking for a hassle-free solution with all the parts included, this is the one for you. What people say. Very easy to install and adjust. Came with extra parts too. After installing this in under 5 minutes, I pulled the starting rope and it started immediately. It idled a little slow and was trying to stall. I adjusted the idea screw and now it runs perfect. It fit perfectly on the brush cutter and performed very well since installation. Number 4. Troy Bilt Tb35ec Carburetor. This carburetor is compatible with a wide range of trimmers and leaf blowers. It's designed to fit seamlessly and restore peak performance. It's a versatile replacement part for many popular brands. You'll find it's the perfect solution for your equipment's needs. This is the Tb35ec Carburetor, also known as 753-06288. It's a direct replacement for several other part numbers. You'll receive the carburetor, plus essential accessories like primer bulbs, gaskets, fuel lines, and a filter. Everything you need for a complete replacement. We stand behind our product with a 6-month warranty. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. This carburetor boasts compatibility with a wide range of Troy Bilt and other brand models. It's a direct replacement for several part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit. If you need a reliable replacement that works across multiple machines, this is your best bet. What people say. Was easy to install on my Craftsman line trimmer. Started right up and needed only minor tweak. 5 minutes to switch out. Went from no start to Wildman. Starts on first pull now. Runs good with little adjustment. Number 3. Tb35ec Carburetor for Troy Bilt Trimmer. This high-quality carburetor is designed to give your Troy Bilt trimmer a new lease on life. It's the perfect replacement for a worn-out or damaged carburetor, ensuring peak performance. It's not just for Troy Bilt. This versatile carburetor also fits various models from Murray and Craftsman trimmers, making it a convenient choice for multiple brands. This isn't just a carburetor, it's a complete kit. You'll receive all the necessary gaskets, primer bulbs, spark plug, filter, and fuel hoses for a seamless installation. With all the parts included, installation is straightforward. Get your trimmer running smoothly again in no time. Experience the difference a new carburetor makes. Enjoy the restored power and efficiency of your trimmer, tackling any trimming task with ease. Don't let a faulty carburetor slow you down. Order yours today and get back to trimming. What we like. This carburetor is designed for a precise fit on your Troy Bilt equipment. It's easy to install and offers excellent value for the price. If you prioritize a simple, effective, and affordable solution, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Installation easy and fit perfect. Ran right out of the box. The Troy Bilt Weed Eater never sounded so good after all these years. Way better than having to buy a new one. I bought the product for my weed eater and fit perfectly and also performed very well. Number 2. 753-06288 Carburetor for Troy Bilt. This carburetor is a perfect replacement for your Troy Bilt, Craftsman, and MTD equipment. It's designed for a reliable and easy fix, getting your equipment back up and running quickly. It's compatible with a wide range of models, including Troy Bilt TB35ec, TB430, and various trimmer and blower models. Check the description for a complete list of compatible models. This carburetor also fits many MTD and Murray trimmers and blowers. Again, please refer to the description to ensure compatibility with your specific model. It's designed to work with various Craftsman trimmers and blowers, ensuring a perfect fit for your equipment. Check the description for the full list of compatible Craftsman models. You'll receive one carburetor, along with 2 primer bulbs, 2 gaskets, 2 fuel lines, a fuel filter, and an adjustment tool. Everything you need for a complete replacement. It is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. Get your equipment running smoothly again in no time. What we like. This is another great all-inclusive option that replaces many different part numbers across various brands and models. It's a versatile solution for various machines. If you have a machine with an unclear part number or need a widely compatible replacement, this is a smart choice. What people say. Fit my string trimmer exactly. Kept me from buying another trimmer. Installed as expected. Replaced just the carb, after 3 pulls it started and ran good without any adjustment. Liked that the kit had a larger fuel filter and came with the idle adjustment tool. Easy change on my Troy Bilt TB430, fired right up. Adjusted the idle and high speed and running like a champ again. Note the metal parts on this, the others for sale on Amazon have all plastic, they are basically fake carburetors. This one is real and worked well for me, came with the Pac-Man adjustment wrench, which was a big bonus. Number 1. HUZTL TB35ec Tune-Up Kit. This carburetor is a perfect replacement for your old, worn-out one. It's designed to fit seamlessly and restore your equipment's performance. It's specifically designed for Troy Bilt TB35ec, TB2040XP, TB2044XP trimmers and other models. You'll find it's a perfect fit. This kit isn't just for Troy Bilt. It also works with Murray, Remington, and Craftsman models, making it a versatile solution. It features high-quality components for reliable performance and long life. Enjoy consistent power and easy adjustments. Everything you need is right here: carburetor, gaskets, primer bulb, fuel lines, connectors, filter, and even a spark plug. It's a complete tune-up solution. The kit includes an adjustment tool, making fine-tuning easy. Get your equipment running smoothly again in no time. What we like. This premium carburetor tune-up kit ensures stable performance and high reliability. It features an easily adjustable high-low screw, allowing for precise power control. If you value top-tier performance and ease of adjustment, this is the option for you. What people say. It's compatible with Troy Bilt models such as TB35ec, TB2040XP, TB2044XP, and also fits Murray M25B, M2560, MS2550, and Craftsman MTD trimmer and blower parts. The carburetor is a direct replacement for Zama C1U, P27 and MTD 753-06288, 751-15112A, 751-151,121. It has an adjustable high-low screw without a limiter cap, allowing for easy power adjustments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.